Hey guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jenny Omani. I live in Vancouver. I'm obviously part of Team Glow, and I'm a registered nurse. I'm actually one of the educators in the intensive care unit at Vancouver General Hospital. So those of you that aren't familiar with the area, that's the biggest tertiary hospital in Western Canada. I am currently on maternity leave, so I am not physically in the hospital, but I am in very close touch with my friends who are in the hospital. Just turn the light on here. And I'm seeing a lot of people, hey Margarita, I'm seeing a lot of people posting about trips they're going on, about things they're doing around other people. And I'm coming here to tell you, please stay home. Please stay home. The only thing that we can do right now is stay home. Okay? It's so important. I don't want to scare you guys, but this is a very real situation. This is really real. This is very serious. And if you think that Italy is not possible for us in North America, you are dead wrong. Okay? It is very possible for us to have that happen, and to be honest, we're on that trajectory. So the good news is, if you self-isolate and stay in your home, this disease you can 100% avoid it if you are staying inside and staying in your home and only going out to get groceries. And when you come back, you take your clothes off, you throw them straight in the wash, and you go have a shower. Yes, I'm serious. I'm actually shaking. That's how serious I am right now. I've heard of several people today tell me they're going on road trips, and all I can think about are my coworkers who are having panic attacks before they go to work. They have been told that there's almost a 100% chance that as frontline workers, they will catch the coronavirus. These people all have kids. They are you and me with medical training. And they're terrified, and they need us to stay home. It's okay to be scared. Like you said, Kim just said here, fear is okay, we need to wake up. Yes, we need to wake up, guys. It's so important. We have an opportunity that other places haven't taken, which is to see what's happened to other places and stay home. So I'm actually here begging you to stay home. And if you know me, you know that I don't cry. But thinking about my friends at the hospital right now is breaking my heart. And there is a very real chance that I will be called back from my maternity leave and have to go to the front line in the ICU and look after these patients, and then I need to decide whether it's safe for me to come home to my children. And I don't know the answer to that right now. I have friends sleeping in their garages because they don't want to go in their home. So please, if you think that this is all an overreaction and hype, you're wrong. And I hope that you listen to somebody who's telling you this. Okay? And if it's me, amazing. You can message me. I will answer your questions the best that you can. I have a friend, actually, I'll go back and edit the title. She's a doctor in Victoria. She's an emergency room doctor. She trained with me at VGH. She did her rotations in the ICU, and she set up an account just to share information about the situation in a non-scary, non-biased way. But you need to stay home. Please, if you have decided to go somewhere with the family, I honestly, you're contributing to the death rate at this point. If you are leaving your house to do things other than getting groceries, as harsh and horrible as that sounds, you are contributing to the situation. I am so happy to talk to you and not judge you and hear your questions, but you have to realize that your actions have so much impact on others. If it's helpful, I'm happy to come back and talk about facts about the disease, but I just wanted to tell people to stay home. Please stay home. If anything I can do to give you information that's useful, I would be really happy to provide that. Please message me. I don't know what else to say other than please stay home. Please be part of the solution. We can all be part of the solution. We can all save lives. We can actually save people's lives by staying home. Okay? I love you all. I'm seeing lots of comments. Yeah, Jen's essential services. Yeah, so it's the same. It's the concept of stay home so that you can protect the people who can't. Because there are people who can't stay home right now. They don't have that choice.